Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Today I'm going to pick this Lockwood that I got from my local locksmith. I really like Lockwood locks for some reason. I don't really have any particular information on them as to why, but for some reason I just like them. So I'm going to use a top of the keyway 50 thousandths and a Sparrows offset hybrid, one of my favorite picks. Felt like a little something on 4, 6. A little click on 1. Another little click on 4. This was one of the very first locks I ever got from a locksmith or anything else. I went down there when I was just kind of getting into the hobby, and I talked to the guy. I just fell into a little false set there. Let's see, pin 2's giving me some counter. See if I can get on him. I got him, but I lost something. So I went down there and talked to the guy, explained everything to him, like, hey, look, I'm interested in locks, I'm doing it as a hobby. There we go, got it open. I'm like, I'm interested in locks, something I do as a hobby. So he went through his bin and gave me a little handful of locks to play with. And this was among those. The very first handful of locks that I got. Didn't get a key with it. Didn't get a key with any. I haven't actually gotten a key with any lock he's ever given me. But that's to be expected, I suppose. In fact, he's given me some Medicos, and when he did, he actually took the keys out of them. So perhaps he doesn't want me having the keys. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Key pins all look pretty similar lengths, not a whole lot of variation. Pin 1 is a little longer than the rest. Pin 1 and pin 3, all the rest look pretty close to the same. This core feels kind of sticky, like somebody might have oiled it or something. I got a new little mount for my tools. It's kind of jimmy rigged, but so is this whole desk, so I'm going to show you guys that in a minute. Number 1, serrated. A lot of gunk in those serrations. Number 2 is a spool. Number 3 is a mushroom, maybe? Looks like a mushroom. Yeah, it is. Number 4, serrated. I lost number 5 in the process of that. I pushed the follower back too far. Also serrated. And number 6. Oops. Number 6 is another spool. Alright, here's the close-up. So I got a serrated, spool, mushroom, serrated, serrated, spool. And that is it for that. I'm working on getting some more high security stuff. I want to get at least one multi-lock. I want to get a Ruco. I don't know, there's a couple things I have on the wish list. I just been going through a lot these last couple of years, and it's been a little difficult. So hopefully, wish me luck. We'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching, guys.